inama y'umunsi.
And I ask you, when a woman is pregnant, how does she know that some time to get a child has come? And John 16 says, when a baby is into the womb of women, he get pain because his time has come. But after he give birth that children, he don't remember that suffering because he is happy for the born child. He get pain much, but means that many things you are passing through today, the problem over their temptations are there right and left. It is possible that it's your time, the time to get give birth that promise, time to fulfill of God's promise has come. This is what the Bible is telling us. This is what the Bible is says. Interesting that today it is possible that there is nothing is going. There is no development. You are discouraged. You see the life does not moving. My sister, my brother, you are in a season. You are in a season where God is working slowly and articulately. You may be see God is moving slowly, but believe something is about to happen. There is what God is going to do over your life. I tell you truly, because at the end of that journey, you will be having your baby. Say amen. Listen, when women are pregnant, he don't do anything. He sit and wait for his baby to grow into the womb, and you can see that nothing is happening to him. But he is pregnant. There is a coming baby, and even if today you see like nothing is going into your life, you see your life does not change, but to last something is growing inside you. There is what God is giving enough time to grow well. You are pregnant of prophecy, promotions, God's promise, contract you wanted to sign, that document, you are pregnant, that church you wanted to create. Believe me, darling, even if behind it there is nothing shown, but I tell you that there is the coming child. This is not motivational. I came to give you it's a truth, and as soon as possible, I will give you the signals that show that truly is God talking to you through me, time and seasons. So far, you are listening to me. Are we together? Type in a comment how seasons and prophetic destiny are. I am going to show you how destiny of people be created or time to be visited by God may state. Remember, for those who were in class of inama months that talked about how to know purpose, how to know your calling, they know that something without God's desire, God cannot bless them. If there is something you are praying for day and night, but without God's willing, you are wasting your time. That is to make happy for yourself. If what you want is marriage, you are praying for so that you post pictures on social medias, having photo and videos with enjoyment with your husband, and doing that nonsense, and you post it to the world. There is some people who listen to this and they maybe think that I'm joking. You can be surprised the moment you see the wishes that are in the heart of people. Different prayers does not want to develop God's kingdom. You are praying for women day and night due to the pressure of people that many my friends are married, but me I am very single. If that is the reason you are praying for your boyfriend, you are wasting your time. Hannah prayed harder and harder, asking for China because he was it was a long time with the spice from Anna, and God said, if you wanted the child due to the despise from that one, I don't have a will for that prayer. Hannah was praying for